Hello all. Once again, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you such a recipe which is very delicious, colorful, and mouth-watering. Whatnot. We can describe it in a very many ways. Like you can, as you can see, this is called a glass cake. Glass cake in the sense it is a transparent. Whatever fruits you are using in rich, because we are using all fruits only in this. It is very rich, very good food also in another way we can say. And it will be like, all the kids will like it because it's in the form of jelly in one way. So I guess everybody will enjoy this recipe. So before getting to the video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell button for future notifications. So as you can see, I have used many types of fruits here. So I am showing you here. I have taken apple, mango, and grapes. Grapes in two colors. So my intention was to fill with colorful fruits, all the colors. So it is not mandatory to use all the fruits here. You can go ahead doing this with the single fruit also. So anar, banana. So if you see, I have used all the colors: black, green, orange, red, white, and whatnot. All the color fruits I have taken here. So I have cutted them and I kept it ready. And now in another vessel, I kept on stove and I have added 500 liters of water in this. For this, we will be requiring 1 cup of sugar. So we'll let this to boil like this. So next we will move further. I'll show the main ingredient of this cake, that is gelatin. So this gelatin usually we will use for cake decoration purpose of the cake and all. Otherwise, to in the jelly kind of ice creams and all. It will be in the form of this white color powder. So this is the main ingredient to make this glass cake. So here I have taken 50 grams of gelatin powder, in which I am using only 40 grams of powder only. Why? Because whatever tray I am using to make this cake is little smaller. So for that purpose I am using 40 grams only. So based on your quantity you can go ahead with it. So approximately for this 40 grams I have taken half liter water. Okay, so before only I am making a paste out of this gelatin powder. I am make sure this will be dissolved in the water before we are adding this to our hot sugar syrup. Okay, like this, nicely you give a mix. So our gelatin mix is ready here. So you can make out our all sugar is dissolved here. You just no need to make any kind of thick syrup or consistency in this. It has to just melt in the water. Once it melt after 5 minutes of boiling, you can add this gelatin water here. So gelatin water consistency to get off the flame is, see, now you can see you can't make out the bottom of the vessel. So the consistency how you can make out is, once you able to see the bottom of this vessel, that is the consistency of the gelatin mix. Okay, hope I am clear. When you are able to see the bottom of this vessel, that time you can off the flame. Otherwise, in another way also you can check the consistency. At the time of offing the flame, you can put like half spoon of syrup in a cup, so that if in 1 or 2 minutes if it is forming as in the form of jelly, then it is done. See here, you can see the bottom of the vessel. So this is the consistency. You can off the flame like this. Now, further we'll move ahead to the other process. Here I have taken a cake tray. It is a small cake tray now I have took. And in this, first of all, we will be framing the first layer. So to form that first layer, I am using some 4 to 5 spoons of this gelatin. Just leave it for 10 minutes. You can see the hard, this all watery gelatin will becoming a kind of a thick layer. See like this. So once this thick layer forms, then you can go ahead adding your fruits. So before only if you add the fruits, that will disturb the surface of the cake. That's why we have to let it dry for 10 minutes. Then we will go ahead adding this. And while adding, I am just following technique where I can show all the colors in the cake, because once this cake is done we will be flipping it. As you know, cakes once we done we will be flipping it, so I am ensuring when it got flipped you can see all the colors so that it will be very colorful. So that's why I am slowly arranging all the fruits here. Only for the first layer I am slowly arranging, so making sure that all the colors will come in the front part, like green, yellow, black, white. Now I'll be adding apple, and again I'll be adding oranges. See, like this. And one more thing, you make sure like don't cover more of the border. Let it be little free enough so that while flipping or cutting the cake and all, it will be little good. Otherwise the fruits shapes will disturb the cake cutting process. So that's why, see, almost all fruits I have added. A little more gaps are there. In that gaps, I am going to add the pomegranate seeds so that it will be like covered. The gap also covered, the pomegranate also visible to the outer side. So this is our first layer. So hereafter you can go ahead with filling all the different fruits actually. So if, and it is not mandatorily you have to take all the fruits. You can go ahead with using one fruit also, like any mango or banana or whatever. Like if you want to use two, three fruits or something like that. So this is what the layer I formed. Now it took around 10 to 15 minutes. In between, make sure you will be keep on stirring this gelatin, whatever we kept aside. Okay. So now I'm going to add this gelatin to our fruits. So while adding these gelatin to the fruits, you have to make sure this all gelatin will go in between all the fruits and make the layer, and strongly it will stuck all the layer, all the fruits actually. It has to hold all the fruits. Otherwise, while if it is not properly inserted in between all the fruits, then the cake formation will not come. While we are flipping and all, it will go like cut. It will crack. So like this, with the spoon itself, you make sure you will insert this gelatin liquid into the all fruits like this. And one more thing, make sure all the fruits will properly dip in the gelatin liquid. Then you leave it for a half an hour. If you leave for a half an hour, it will again set. The second layer also formed. Now I have kept 1 to 2 spoons of gelatin aside to make the final and third layer. In that I am just adding little food color. I am adding this food color to just give the colorful base for this cake, because this will be the base of the cake. When we flip it, it will come as a base. So that's why, to make it little more colorful, I am just adding it. If you don't have food color also fine. If you have other color, food color also is fine. Anything is fine. So with this, like after leaving half an hour to set the second layer, this food color third layer I am adding here. So after adding this, you have to keep it in a normal fridge temperature 2 hours, or if it is in a deep fridge temperature 1 hour, to set it nicely. So like this. So now I am just shifting this to the deep fridge for 1 hour. Like this. So 1 hour is over. After you taking out, you use some toothpick or knife. Slowly make sure you will move it from the from the border of your vessel, so that when you flip it, it will not cut. It will easily come down like this. You can even use the knife also. That will also will do. So like this. Now flipping technique most of the people will know. Like once again I am showing you here. Just keep the plate top of the vessel, and you flip the vessel to the down. And as it is a jelly kind of a cake, so you have to slowly tap it back so that all that jelly sticking thing will slowly detach from our vessel and come down to the plate like this. So finally our transparent glass cake is ready. See how nice it is to see and to experience. You can see all the fruits in. So, so you can just imagine like when you have some get-together, friends, dinners and all. If you make this cake and it will become the center of attraction of that foods. So see, you can see all the fruits whatever I am used here, and you can even also see that the down colorful jelly layer also. And we even feel good when we serve these kind of recipes because it is dessert. It serves the dessert part also as well as it is full of fruits and also you feel good basically. See here I'll show you by cutting this cake, a piece of this cake, how it'll look like. See how colorful it is. You can see all that, even fine pomegranate seed also clearly you can visible pomegranates, banana, apple, mango, and black grapes. If you don't have black grapes and all, even you can add dates also. So hope you all like this video and please don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell button. If you like the video, please don't forget to share the video also. Thank you so much for watching.